Hey guys, it's Diane from Groza Real Estate, and I have some more helpful tips for you guys. Today, I'm focusing on you renters. I know sometimes it's easy to stay in a rental property and continue renewing year over year, but is that really in your best interest? There are several great benefits for buying a home. One of my favorites is that you're building wealth. Every single month, your monthly payment is going to be going towards your home, and that is money that you're eventually going to get back. Also, as the market goes up in value, you're building equity. In addition to that, you have a set monthly payment. The landlord is not going to come in and raise your rent. It's also very, very stable. Nobody's going to come in and kick you out of your own house. And how about customizing your home? You really get to make it your own. You get to put wallpaper, pictures, change the flooring, and really make it your own, where obviously in a rental property, that's not really an option. And if I haven't convinced you to buy a home, please give me a call. I look forward to meeting you one-on-one and creating a plan for you. See you in the next episode.